Welcome to the Contractor Success Map podcast. I'm your host, Bradley Hart, and I'm an expert on how you can get the most out of your contracting company. The reason I designed this show is to help you turn your contracting company from a people-dependent money pit into a process-dependent cash cow to have the freedom you dreamed of when you started your business. Every Friday, we're releasing podcasts with information to help you get the most out of your contracting company. Be sure to join us at www.contractorsuccessmap.com. and subscribe to receive our latest articles and special offers. And the best part, it's all free, just for you.
Hello, listeners. Welcome back or welcome to our podcast. I hope you are doing great and in excellent health. This is Norhalma delivering our 455th episode by Sherry DeHart. You can listen to the other sessions on iTunes, Spotify, or wherever podcast content is published. It's non-sequential. You can listen to the topics that interest you the most. Sherry's post is entitled, How to Leverage Automation and Technology in Your Construction Business. Let's get right into it. The daily processes and transactions involved in operating a general maintenance and repair contracting business can mean long hours of repetitive tasks and occasional oversights due to human nature. These days, you can use technology to take care of almost any issue facing your business. Automating this task can result in significant savings in resources and eliminate mistakes caused by human error. The key, however, is to know which tasks should be automated and which ones warrant staff intervention and guidance. Let's discuss some of them. First, lead capturing, nurturing, and scoring. Automating your lead development process can do wonders for your service-based company's conversion rates. Both hot and cold leads require attention and targeted engagement to convert into paying customers. Using automation software can help sales reps guide prospects to end the sales cycle strategically, and it can also direct you towards the leads that will convert the fastest. Next, engaging new contacts. Entrepreneurs like you meet new contacts all the time. Whether a potential business partner or prospective client, automating your engagement with them can help you forge a solid rapport after your initial contact. Several CRM options will allow you to group contacts by event, type, company, and location, amongst other settings, to ensure that your business card collections don't go to waste. Third, personal direct mail. Outreach efforts with a personal touch garner higher engagement rates, which explains why businesses send out birthday cards, calendars, seasonal greetings, and other materials to customers. With the right software, you can set up automated sequenced events to gather personal data and incorporate it into specific marketing activities. And last but not the least, word-of-mouth marketing. Numerous marketing studies show that consumers are more likely to buy from companies or hire services if a friend has referred them. Encourage customers to give referrals by simply asking for them. There are several ways to automate this, including adding referral mentions to discount offerings, a website page, and email outreach campaigns. Automation can be a wonderful thing. However, it does not work without monitoring most of the time and is not exactly as expected or promised by the sales department. The software can be challenging, and depending on what it is, it takes tech support to fix it. Tier 1, Tier 2, developers, namely anyone but me. A remote assist is a beautiful tool. The technician can see for themselves that you are or not playing with imaginary friends hiding in your computer. Many Tier 1 support need to document that they could not solve the problem and justify sending you to Tier 2. A contractor called me recently and said it was required to keep an online software because they had linked their banking and several apps to the software. These apps are downloaded automatically daily, no matter what. That was a must. It would take too much time to do anything manually. My take. Why exactly are you calling me? It sounds like everything is working perfectly. Well, it wasn't working perfectly. Yes, everything was downloading automatically into the file. Yes, the transactions were going to where that specified software specified. Yes, the software decided and did not care about what other software was doing. So what exactly was the problem? The contractor wanted all the apps to download transactions and that no one in the office needed to touch anything. It would magically create accurate reports seamlessly. After each of the third-party software decided that and where to put everything, the result was reports that were not understandable, so far out of whack that anyone who looks could see. Bank accounts were overdrawn by 5 and 6 figures, more than $10,000 to over $100,000. Credit card payments to the same bank became multiple vendors. The word mess did not begin to describe the results. I am all about automation. Managed automation is when transactions go where I expect them to go. I know that each one of the applications chosen had a valuable purpose. Hopefully, the decision was based on more than the sync function. But if that is the essential thing, good luck. Choosing the individual third-party software is always best based on the benefits. You are not getting it because it links with this, but does not do what you need. I always suggest determining if the app is useful as a standalone product. Determine who in the company needs it and will use it. Office, field, estimator, project manager. Again, the key is in the setup. What do you want to know? No program does everything. In most cases, we recommend an online version of the software, which is quickly updated over the desktop version in a box. My only exception is QuickBooks desktop software. Get the box with CD. Estimating and invoice programs. Features that are available in the latest third-party apps. Estimates. Can you mail or can you email the estimate to the prospect? Invoice. Can you accept payment from a link? Change orders. Can your client approve from a link? Payments. Can you accept job deposits? Pictures. Can you send pictures? Price book. Can you create one? Flat rate pricing. Is this an option? And hourly rates. Can you do this? My question to you: what third-party software do you find useful in your business? Everyone can benefit from the ones that are easy to use and work with. If you have a task that you don't like to do, there's an app or software program to take care of it for you. It might take a few moments of your time to learn and understand how the software or app works, but doing so will save you valuable time and precious energy. It will also free you up to spend time on the tasks you love to do, not on all the paperwork and record keeping that go along with running a business. In conclusion, there's no question that these apps and software platforms can make construction business owners' lives easier. Choosing a product that meets your company's needs will free up time and energy to focus on the things you love to do. Set aside a week or two to look at any processes that can be automated within your business. Automating repetitive and tedious tasks can aid you in uncovering hidden cost savers and potential sales opportunities for your general maintenance and repair service company. And that ends Sherry's blog post. Want to chat about growing your construction business? Please don't hesitate to get in touch with us. You can email Sherry at fasteasyaccounting.com. That's SHARIE sherry@fasteasyaccounting.com, or give her a call at our toll-free number 1-800-361-1770, or Washington State local phone line 206-361-3950. And yes, our promo code is still available for you to use. It's podcast20, 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 for 20% off, whether you need a bookkeeping template or would like to enroll in one of our construction accounting classes. Links to our online store and academy are in our blog. On behalf of Sherry and our team at Fast Easy Accounting, this is Norhalma. Thank you all for listening. Stay safe and healthy.
And stay tuned for upcoming episodes on how to turn your contracting company into a process-dependent cash cow. Bye for now. Thanks for tuning in. You're listening to the Contractor Success Map. If you enjoyed the show, please leave a 5-star rating and review here on iTunes, and make sure to head over to www.contractorsuccessmap.com to subscribe to receive the latest articles and special offers. If you'd like to discuss your business strategy, simply click on the button labeled Strategy Session. And the best part, it's all free, just for you.